Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this eggless bread buns. No egg, with just 3 recipes you will make this tea snacks. Let's get into the video. So here are the things I'm going to be using. I have 4 cups of flour, 1/3 cups of sugar, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of baking powder. On today's video, I'm going to be using my mixer, so you can as well use your hand. So I'll combine everything together inside the mixer. You can add nutmeg for flavor, but I didn't add to this. You can as well add if you want. Then 1 cup of water. This video is inspired by one of the comments in my previous bread buns video. So the person actually asked whether she can do bread buns without egg. So this video is for you if you have that in mind too. I'm making this video to clarify your doubts that you can make bread buns without egg. So here I add 2 tablespoons of water to replace that egg that is not inside these bread buns. If you are using egg, is 1 egg to 1 cup of water, but since I'm not adding egg to this recipe, I use 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of water, normal room temperature water. You can see I'm done kneading with the mixer. I'm just trying to combine it together with my hand here. So here I'll be stretching it out. I'm going to be stretching it out, then bring them back together again because so when it is well stretched, I'll bring it back together again. The reason for doing this is for the bread buns to have enough thickness inside, because as we all know, bread buns is called poki and it is very filling. It's something that you will eat and be filled for the whole day. So to get that filling texture, to get that hard texture, I have to bring it back together so that the inside can be very thick. So I'll do it again. I'm going to repeat this for 2 times, then I'll stretch it out. In this particular bread buns, we are not going to be doing the roll one, but I'll as well do some little roll one so that you can see that you can actually do it without egg. So but I'm going to be doing the flat method here. If this is your first time of coming across my channel and you have watched to this extent, please kindly hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Can see how the thickness is. I didn't flatten it to be very flat. So you see how the thickness is. When it enters into the oil today, it's going to be thicker than this. I've already heat up my oil. I'll be dropping it in one after the other because the oil is already hot. So, and to get these bread buns right, you have to knead your dough. Knead your dough. Without kneading your dough, it will be as if you are doing chin chin. It will come out like you are doing chin chin. If you have tried it and that is what you get without getting it right like normal bread buns, please try and knead your dough. When you knead your dough and you use this recipe right, you will get it very well. Knead it. Without kneading, it will just be like you are doing chin chin. So, and here we are. You can see how puffy they all come out. So I'm going to repeat the same process to fry everything. And here I am done frying. You can see how fresh looking it is. So let's cut through and see how the inside is. You see how thick the inside is? Because of that process, we got a very filling inside. And I did a round one for you to see too. And we have come to the end of today's video. See you all in my next one. Bye.